Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on a 2011 GMC Sierra. We are going to be doing the front rotors and the back brakes. Once you get the wheel off, go ahead and pop this bolt and this bolt off down there. They are both 19s. Pop the caliper off. After that, you're going to pop these two bolts off, and they are an 18 to get the rest of the caliper off. Pull the rotor off. When you get the whole caliper off, you need to pull this T27 bolt out to pull the rotor off. As always, make sure you clean it up with MEK or acetone. Don't forget to line up the screw, run that back in. Okay, once you got that caliper back on, change out your brakes. These ones ended up being good, so we're just changing out the rotor. So don't forget to compress your caliper. Go ahead and install it. Once that's all installed, go ahead and install the tire, and that's how you install the rotor. Okay, to get the drum off, you're going to need to find a bolt that will thread into this. You're going to need one for each side. And go ahead and slowly work it off, and if you're having a tough time doing it, go ahead, come back over here. If you're having a tough time, come over here and bleed this with a 5/16. And go ahead and pop that bad boy off. Okay, unfortunately I couldn't do a video of it taking it apart because these brakes blew up on the inside of the drum. So basically this is what it looks like taken apart. Once you start to put it back together, you're going to put the brake shoe on, put the C-clip back on here to put it on place onto this side over here, and then you're going to put the other one on with this thing in between both of them. Make sure it's facing the right way, which I believe is this way, and then you're going to take the pin going through over here with the spring, put one side in at a time, and then go ahead and put all the springs on. So I'm going to do the first step. C-clip those talk bouts on the back side of this. Go ahead and put the pin through the back with the spring on it, and do the same thing with the other side. And then I just kind of got the rod right there, just kind of in place for the time being. Next I'm going to put these springs in. There's one that goes across there, the one across the bottom, and one in the middle. Okay, so the next step is what I did is I put the small spring on the bottom from here to here, pull the bottom together pretty tight. Then I come up to here, the biggest spring from here, and you gotta get it kind of back behind that, so I hook it on there and then I pull tight over here. Then after that I put this bracket on that, you slide behind the tooth there, put it in place, and then the spring hooks right there and to there. After that, you're good to put the rotor on. Just like that. That's how you install the new brake pads, brake shoes, and rotor. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.